Hello, Andrew again. We're talking about tough interview questions. Today's tough one, why do you want to leave your current job? Now, sometimes you would think, this is an easy question. I want to leave because my boss is a jerk. I want to leave because they don't pay me anything. But there's one cardinal rule for this question. Don't talk badly about your employers, because this will get back to them. Almost 100%. And even if it doesn't, say you get away with it, say you didn't go by, the person who interviews you will say, you talked this way about them. If you ever leave us, you will do the same thing to me. So, is that a person you would want to hire? Remember, you've got to think about it that way. What if you're in that other chair? So, that's why you never talk badly about a previous employer. Desperately as you may want to, don't do it. Okay? So, how do you answer? What do you ask? Emphasize your growth. Emphasize the fact that you have learned new skills, particularly skills that will be useful in the job that was advertised. Okay? This is a chance for you to focus more on what you can do, not about your past. Okay? Direct this conversation into those areas. The areas to emphasize for why you are an exciting candidate. Okay? Your past employer can add to in the fact that they gave you a chance to grow. What opportunities did they give? What things did they give you as you worked for them? Okay? The other is to emphasize your desire for something closer to your dream job. I have a great job. It is a great job. But you know what? I'm looking for an awesome job. And from your advertisement, I think you may have an awesome job. And that's why I'm here, is I'm here to explore the possibility that this might be my dream job. Okay? So I haven't said anything bad about my previous employment. I am just comparing it to the possibility of something even better. Okay? So this is the way that you get around the question. And you can answer it in a way that's honest and doesn't talk badly about your current employer. Okay? If you have those feelings, hold them inside. If after 2 or 3 years you finally can't let it out, you can't hold it in anymore, that may be appropriate to have a quiet, off of the record discussion about it. But I wouldn't, because you never know when you might want to go back to that employer. It's a small world, and it's getting smaller every day. So it's better just to follow the rule. Don't talk badly about previous employers. Focus instead on your abilities. Focus instead on what you can provide to the company. That's what will get them excited, not talking badly about their competition. Okay? So, pretty easy. But if you have any questions about what grammar you should use, take a look in the comments below. Take a look in the text below. If you have any questions about this, if you have any tough interview questions you've gotten, please put them in the comments and I'll try to answer them in the best way possible. And if you have any questions about wanting personal coaching, we do these kinds of things with students. Take a look at our webpage. It's also in the link below. Thanks. See you again.